we're just throwing the trash and look who we found. It's a little dog. So cute. So if y'all know him, it makes out or she. Don't lick my computer, really.
Sit there. Puppy? Look. It's a licking.
He's giving you kisses. I mean, she's giving you kisses.
Yeah.
Kisses.
Yeah. Yucky.
You need a bath. Yes. You want a bath? Yes. You want a bath? You want a bath? You want a bath?
Oh.
You want a bath? You want a bath? Yeah.
I see you, Ariel. Here, Ariel. Here, Ariel. Here, Ariel.
You're good. Yes, yes, you are. She's a girl, Mama.
Here, Ariel. Here. That's a good puppy. Good puppy.
Her legs are gonna. See that, guys? She's shaking her foot. Because I was rubbing her belly.
It's rubbing her body.
You okay, girl? She doesn't look good.
Her size up. Don't touch her, Miss Scratch you.
No, she's not.
Yes.
She's okay, I'll say. Come and pet her. She's okay.
Oh, I'm scared, puppy.
See that, guys? She's very comfortable. Come on, dog.
Oh.
I don't know what kind of dog she is, but she's like one of those police dogs. So if y'all know where she is, comment, say what she is, and I'll see. Bye, guys. Let's go inside. Bye. Bye, puppy.